This morning, jurors will begin their second day of deliberations into whether actor Jussie Smollett lied to police about being the victim of a hate crime. The jurors deliberating for 2 hours Wednesday after a week-long trial. Two brothers testified that Smollett orchestrated the 2019 attack to get publicity, while Smollett himself testified there was no hoax, there was no farce. He was the victim. Again, all of these men reportedly friends. We're joined right now by New York attorney and legal analyst Angela Cenedella. So this trial, let's just be real for a second. A lot of people watching at home are thinking, this seems very messy. So in your legal mind, who has a stronger case, the prosecution or the defense?
So even though the defense had this dazzling celebrity testify, I think the prosecution has a much stronger case just based on the evidence. It's pretty clear here that this was a staged attack from at least what I've seen through the testimony. So I think it's the prosecution.
Okay, so with that in mind, what is the most important piece of evidence for the prosecution?
To me, it was the testimony of the police chief who started that they spent 3,000 hours going through this entire case, going through all the evidence and discovering that it wasn't actually the brothers who were at fault here. The police chief, to me, was the most compelling witness actually throughout the entire trial, even if Jussie Smollett was the most likable and just connected the best with the jury.
So what kind of sentence does Smollett face if he's found guilty?
Well, he could face a few years in prison, but it's unlikely because he does not have a past criminal record. It seems that he most likely is facing just probation.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.